Looking to shoot better video with your smartphone or mobile device? I'm Ray the Video Guy, and today I'm going to review the clip-on lens set from On.
He's Ray the Video Guy, yeah, Ray the Video Guy. His YouTube ninja tricks can make your marketing so sick. He's Ray the Video Guy, yeah, Ray the Video Guy.
So the On clip-on lens kit allows you to easily add a fisheye, wide-angle, or macro lens directly to your smartphone or other mobile device. And it works by using this clip-on system right here, where you stick the lens in this end and you clip this onto your device. So if I have an iPad here, you can see the existing lens is right here. So all we would do is clip the lens over the existing lens, and that will allow you to use the macro, the wide-angle, or the fisheye lens directly with your device. Now the cool thing is you can take this and you can switch these out by simply unscrewing the existing lens. In this case, I'm going to pull this one off here. Okay, just like so. And we're going to replace it with the fisheye lens. And we just take that and screw that into the clip, just like so. And now you have a fisheye lens that you can add directly to your smart device. Now, let's take a look at what this actually looks like when we actually use it on this camera right here. So this is obviously the fisheye lens, and you can tell because it has that vignetting around the edges. It also has that kind of distorted look to it, but this is something that you'll deal with inside the editor where you can actually crop out the edges and bring it in a little bit. This also works when you're taking still images as well. Now let's take a look at the wide-angle lens. Now this is the wide-angle lens. As you can see, it's a little wider than the original, but not nearly as wide or as distorted as the fisheye lens. This allows you to get more of the image around you when you're shooting your videos. Now let's take a look at the macro lens. Now as you can see with the macro lens, this is meant to show things that are very close up. In this case here, we're showing you the other lens directly in front of the camera. And this allows you to get a view that you normally wouldn't get with the traditional camera because it would be completely out of focus. Now here I'm trying to hold it still, but you get the idea that by bringing things close to this camera, you can actually see the grooves on the lens, etc. And so that's what that one's for. Well, there you go. That's the On clip-on lens kit with the wide-angle, macro, and fisheye lenses. And this kit comes with, of course, the 3 lenses and the clip to hold it onto your device. It also has a carry bag to protect your lenses and lens caps to cover the lenses to protect them further. Now the great thing about this particular set is you can get it at a place like Walmart for only about $7 to $8. You can also order it online or a very similar product online. Are these the best lenses in the world for $7 to $8? No, but they do the job, they do it very effectively, and they are very inexpensive. So I highly recommend if you're going to add a wide angle, a fisheye, or a macro lens to your camera or to your smartphone, then I recommend that you pick up the On smartphone kit, as it's very easy to use, works really well, and does not cost a whole lot. If you like that, of course, you can click the link down below for more tips, and of course, be sure to subscribe to our channel as well, and we'll see you in the next video.